Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the Tenga Spinner Masturbator in the colour blue. So let's get started. So this is the Tenga Spinner Masturbator itself, and it comes in a very discreet case. It's perfect to take away with you, and it's perfect for both beginners and experienced users alike. So let's start by taking off the drying case, and it reveals the masturbator sleeve on the inside. Make sure to remove this white tube before using the masturbator. Inside this white tube is a sachet of water-based lubricant, which will heighten your experience. Simply tear open, pop into the masturbator and enjoy. Now this is the masturbator itself. It is transparent, which means you can see everything that's going on, which makes it very unique. It also features a very unique design. As you can see, there is a blue coil all the way inside just there. Now this is an integrated coil, which is very unique as the spinner spins around your penis when you move it back and forth, mimicking the feeling of a blowjob, which is very stimulating and something a little different. As you can see, the material is very stretchy and flexible, and this is to ensure the perfect fit as well. On the inside, it also features a stimulating texture as well. Each Tenga Spinner Masturbator features a different texture, so you have two different types of stimulation for the perfect penis stimulation. Now when using this masturbator, we would highly recommend for you to use a water-based lubricant for optimal comfort during use. Now please make sure to clean after every use, and for this we would recommend to use a toy cleaner and lukewarm water. And alternatively, you can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water. Please make sure the sleeve is completely dry before using again, and in the meantime pop it in the drying case to protect it until your next use. And that is the Tenga Spinner Masturbator in the colour blue. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.